120 to 150 either website, we all call them apps in development, so if I say the word apps, I mean web pages and actual little apps that run on their own. And I'm going to show you some examples in a little bit. So the other side of it is actually a full 4-year computer science degree, which obviously takes a lot of time. Probably have to go to an actual college that will actually implement it, and it's going to cost a lot of money. So everyone's concern is not even on the side of boot camp, which is all about speed. Can I really go out there and compete with a person that has an actual degree in this field? Well, I can show you a million YouTube videos with real developers that say it's really all about the person. You could have a person that went to college and got their piece of paper, but doesn't truly have a knack for this. Whereas a person who is even self-taught, if they show they have a knack and a like for this sort of thing, they'll do better out there in the field. And it really comes down to the interview and your portfolio. All things that we help you with here at Hunter, because there is a career services aspect of this where we build your portfolio, we teach you how to interview, we teach you how to write a resume and a cover letter. That's all incorporated into this. So that when you're done with your externship, it's not like a rush to get all those extra things done. It's done throughout, so that at the point of you finishing your externship, our job search plan to you is in action, and hopefully it's not a very long period of time before you find actual employment. So like I said, you're in competition with those people, but it's really all about you. And the one thing that I look for when I talk to students one-on-one, after you show interest in the program, you'll meet with an admissions rep like Kristen, and they'll talk more about what the next steps are to get you enrolled. But once people go forward from here, I always meet with them one-on-one, because the main thing I'm looking for is level of interest. If people have an interest in this field, the sky's the limit. This honestly, and I don't mean this to turn people away, but if this is something you just heard on the news as the hot field, and you don't have any real interest in technology, you don't have an interest in solving problems, being creative thinking, it's a struggle to get through this if you're being dragged through it. But if you feel you have an inclination to it, you're interested in technology, you want to see how it works, you really, again, can do very well. My class was just joking because the Career Services Department was in here yesterday showing them about writing a resume, and they were saying, okay, this should be bold, this should be italic. They were joking that now they know the code to make that happen. And I said,